Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I was having a clear out in the garage and all my sanding discs were in a box, so I thought it was about time I made a rack for them. I'm going to sort them out into piles of the most common sizes I use, or grits I use I should say, and then I'm going to rip some plywood down to the width of these discs. With a few bits ripped down, I can then cross cut a couple of bits the same length, and these are going to be the sides of the rack. I want shelves for 5 different discs, so I mark out positions where 4 shelves are going to need to go. I only need 4 as one is going to sit on the bottom of this. I then swap out my saw blade to my 5mm grooving blade and I can start making some cuts. Just one pass on all of my lines should just be enough to fit some plywood in. This rack is going to need a top and a bottom, so I cut down another couple of bits to use for that. To attach the top and bottom, I pre-drill some holes with a countersinking bit in both the top and the bottom piece. I can then get a bit of glue on and get them screwed into place. So I already had this off-cut of plywood. I think it's sold as 6mm, but it fits in my 5mm groove, just. So I mark out how wide I need to cut each piece to fit into the grooves, then I can set up a stop block and get 4 bits cut. I give the edges a quick hand sand, giving them a little bevel so they're going to slide in the groove a little better. As I say, these are 6mm plies going into a 5mm groove, so they fit, they just need a little persuasion. They're certainly not going to need any glue or fixings. One last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a couple of these brass keyhole plates so I can easily attach it to the wall. The walls of my workshop are lined with 18mm MDF, so I can screw anything on anywhere I want. So this is going to go next to my tape racks. The wall space is filling up quickly in the workshop now, but I'm starting to really get organised. Not only does this keep things neat, but when you're running low on something, you can see now. Before, when I had all the discs jumbled up in a box, I would use the last of one of the grits and not realise. Now I can see when I'm getting low. And that's it all done. Another really simple shop project, but one I've been meaning to do for a year. So thanks for watching, thanks to my Patreons, and please subscribe for more videos.